It's Mikayla and her Girl Scout cookie. She already had a jar and a half of baby food, and now she's going to eat her cookie. Yes! Oh, we can show you outside my little garden too, while we're at it. A little flower garden. It's kind of nice out there. You can see tulips. The screen's covering up a lot of that. See all flowers and stuff? Yeah, they look nice. That's Mikayla eating her cookie. Eating her cookie. We'll take a peek outside the door for a minute. Stay, Des. There you go. You can see the flowers now. Pretty, huh? Alright, back to what you all want to see. Mikayla eating her cookie. I was trying to do the flowers outside, but couldn't see them through the screen very well. Mikayla eating her cookie. Her Girl Scout cookie. It's good, huh? Do you like it? You're making such a mess. It's so cute. Say I have no teeth. I have no teeth. Show everybody your teeth. Yes. Yes. You can't stick the whole cookie in your mouth. Say maybe I can, Daddy. Can I have some of that? Can I have some of that? Don't get mad at me. Almost done. There's not much cookie left. She got mad when I took out half of the cookie. Yes, you did, didn't you? You tell them.